Hello friends, welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College, Pune. Standard 8, Mathematics. Lesson 6, Factorisation of Algebraic Expressions. Practice set 6.3. Hello friends, welcome to Standard 8 Maths, Chapter 6, Factorisation of Algebraic Expressions. Let us continue with practice set 6.3 now, and question number 1. Let us factorize 27n cube minus 216n cube, which is the third example under this practice set. Okay. Now here I know, as we know, the formula a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. We have already learned how to factorize this algebraic expression a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Now using this formula we can factorize 27n cube minus 216n cube. Why? Because this expression is in the form 27n cube is in the form a cube minus 216 is in the form of b cube. 216n cube is in the form of b cube. But for the use of this formula, if I need to use this formula, I need to find out what is the value of a as well as b, right? Here we have a cube and b cube. So let us find out what is a and b. So I know 27. Okay, I need to find out the cube root of 27, which is equal to 3, right? I know 3 cubes. So 27 can be written as 3 cube because I know 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So 3 cube is equal to 27. So instead of 27, I can write 3 cube. The same way, 216. I have to find out the cube root of 216, which is 6. Okay, now how come 6? I know 6 cube is equal to 6 6 are 36, 36 6 are 216. So here 6 cube will be equal to 216. So instead of 216 I can write it as 6 cube. Of course m cube I can write it as m for a, and n cube I can write it as n for b, so that I can get the proper value. So this is in the format now a cube minus b cube. Now I can write 27 n cube minus n cube as 27 is 3 cube, so 3m. Okay, for remember to write the coefficient as well as variable together. The whole cube, this is a cube. Now 3m is a, and of course I have written in the form of cube, minus b is, I know it is 6 cube, so 216 is written as 6n the whole cube. Now this becomes 6 cube and n cube, right? So I have got a and value of b also, and I am going to use this formula a cube minus b cube. Here 3m the whole cube minus 6n the whole cube, which is already in the format a minus b cube, right? So let me use this formula a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square to factorize 3m the whole cube minus 6n the whole cube. Let us substitute and start factorizing. Substituting a is substituted by 3m and b can be substituted by 6n now. Okay, so let us start factorizing 27n cube minus 216 3m minus 6n, a minus b, into a square is 3m square, bracket square, plus ab, so 3m into 6n, okay, plus 6n square, right, which is b square. So now I have 3m cube minus 6n the whole cube is equal to 3m minus 6n into 3m square the whole square plus 6m into 6n plus 6n the whole square. Now here bracket square. Now here let us expand and then simplify. That is equal to 3m minus 6n into, let me expand this one, 3m into 3m plus 3m into 6m. Now let me use it here. You can continue in front of this term, 6n into 6n. Right? So that is equal to 3m minus 6n into, let me simplify, 3 3s are 9, m into is m square. So 9m square plus 3 6s are 18, m into n is mn plus, got it, 6 6s are 36. N into n is n square. Can I further simplify this? Are there any like terms? No. This is m square, that is n square. So there is no particularly any kind of like term. So I need to stop here. I have already got two factors. So let me stop here. Therefore I have got the factors of 27m cube minus 216m cube are 3m minus 6n and 9m square plus 18mn plus 36n square. So I have acquired the factors of 27n cube minus 216n cube. Okay friends, in the same way let us factorize the fourth one, example 125y cube minus 1. Okay, now as I know the formula of the factors of a cube minus b cube, which is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Let me apply this formula to factorize the given expression 125y cube minus 1. So I know a cube represents 125y cube minus 1 represents b cube. Now here I need to convert this into a minus b so that I can get the values of a and b. So here 125, the cube root of 125 I have to find out, which is equal to 5. Now remember one thing students, any expression, if you have any coefficient whose cube root you will have to find out. Remember this exercise is related to a cube minus b cube and to find factors. So here the coefficient that will be given will always be in the cube form. Okay, so you can convert it into other number whose cube will be that particular coefficient. Here you have 125y cube. For y cube you can convert it into its cube root, that is y. Okay, whereas 125 I should know the cube root of 125, which is 5. Because I know 5 cube is equal to 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. So I can write 5 cube which is equal to 125. So instead of 125 I can write it as 5 cube. Okay. So here this 125y cube can be converted into 5y the whole cube. Now it is 5 cube and y cube also. So now 5y the whole cube minus. But what about this one? We don't have any cube or we don't have any particular number whose cube we have to find out. Cube root we have to find out. But remember students, the cube of 1 is also equal to 1. How is it? Of course 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. Okay, so it is going to be equal to 1. So 1 will be 1 can be written as 1 bracket cube or 1 whole cube. So now I have got 5y the whole cube as a cube minus 1 cube as b cube. Right? Then you write it in the bracket or you don't write, doesn't matter. Now 1 cube is in the form of b cube. Now I can use the formula a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square to factorize 5y cube the whole cube minus 1 the whole cube. Okay, let us substitute and see. Substituting. A as 5y and b as 1. Right? Let us substitute the values and factorize 125y cube minus 1 cube, minus 1. The question is not cube over here, okay? Minus 1 is equal to 5y. We have converted into a the whole cube, okay? Minus 1 the whole cube. So now I can factorize 5y whole cube minus 1 whole cube as 5y minus 1 a minus b, because I know a is 5y, b is 1. 5y minus 1 into a square is 5y the whole square plus ab. ab is 5y into 1, b is 1 plus b square. Okay. Now let me just expand it so that I can simplify it correctly. That is equal to 5y minus 1 into 5y with square. So 5y into 5y plus 5y into 1 as it is plus 1 into 1. Okay? Is that clear? Right. Now let me simplify this. 5y minus 1, keep it as it is. 5 5s are 25. Y into y square plus 5y into 1 is 5y plus 1 ones are 1. Okay, can I further simplify this? Are there any simple same terms? No, here there is a multiplication sign. So this is 5y minus 1 is one factor. 25y square plus 5y plus 1 is another factor. Okay, of the given expression. Therefore, I found the factors now. The factors of 125y cube minus 1 are 5y minus 1 and 25y square plus 5y plus 1. So these are the factors of 125y cube minus 1. Thank you.